It's a new 2019 Cadillac Escalade. It's iconic and uncompromising and done on a grand scale. It comes with great features you love. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, power tilt-down heated mirrors, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, automated parking sensors, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual-zone climate control, V8 engine, hands-free liftgate, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, and automatic transmission. This from Car and Driver, Cadillac's full-size swagger wagon offers brash chrome-tastic styling and leather-lined luxury. To achieve greatness, one must dare to be great. Shape your world in a Cadillac. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.